If you're about to start your business and you're ready to start your entrepreneur journey and you're figuring it out, it's a whole bunch of different avenues and places and things, and you have to know and learn and do to even get your business going. I want to share with you what I did the first year of my business, so that way I could try to get you to focus in and zero in on what may be more important to you in your business and some things you should focus on in the beginning. So year one in my business, some of the things I started out with was, I had the cheat code. My cheat code, or my background, my cheat code was computer science. So I knew how to code computers. I knew how to create websites. I knew how to do a bunch of different things when it comes to being techie on computers and things like that, especially networking. I was very good at networking computers, which led me to form my fire alarm company where we do camera systems. So in the beginning, like any business that you form, you're going to have your business form, your LLC, S Corp, corporation, whatever. I started out as a corporation, just jumped straight into starting out as a corporation, not really knowing, but I started out as a corporation and I filled out a form, IRS form F255 or something like that. I'll leave the link in the description. And what I did was I elected to be a subchapter corporation, an S Corp more or less. So from the beginning, I've been an S Corp corporation all the way up until now. I can explain why I was an S Corp, but I'm gonna save that for another video, not for this video. So just the preliminary things, you start your business, you form your business, you get your tax ID. Right after that, I knew, because when I first started my business, especially in fire alarm, I knew I wanted to get into government. I knew I wanted to penetrate into the government because it seems as if it was easier to target the government than try to find commercial work out here. Plus, I didn't know how to compete with the big companies as I do now. So I got my DUNS number. I registered with SAM, and then once I got registered with SAM, I got a unique identifier and a cage code, so then that unlocked doors for me to get into government contract. So once I did that, then I designed my first website. So if you want to see what my website look like now, it's securitysecurities.com, SECURITSECURITIES.com. Also leave a link in the description so that way you can just go check it out. Tell me what you think. If I need to make any improvements, also let me know. I'm all for it. I'm all for getting better. So those things is what I started out. I didn't think about marketing. I wasn't really thinking about credit because my credit was bad. It was like 550 at the time, maybe less than that. So it was definitely not no 600. So I wasn't really thinking about credit. I wasn't thinking about doing anything. So I was really just trying to find resources, Home Advisor, Thumbtack, these different Angie's List, these different companies was throwing leads at me. And as long as I was picking up the phone as fast as I could to make the phone call, I was making change out there. So I would suggest anyone, if you're good at marketing, then go for it. Run ads and do things like that. But if you don't understand marketing, it's going to take you some time to really learn how to convey your message. Conveying your message is really understanding who you are as the person. How are you actually solving these problems through posts, blogs, and different things like that, videos and stuff like that. So once you understand it, it actually becomes easy how to target your audience and find the audience that you're looking for. But I wouldn't even focus on marketing. I would really focus on structuring your business. The reason why I say that is because my tech background, my infrastructure and setting up frameworks was very, very easy for me, which makes it easier for me now. So when a customer has to make a payment, I have a site where they can click on, make the payment, the invoice is sent it to them straight up, the receipt goes to them straight up, money goes into my account. I'm not doing anything. So everything is all set up. So you have to learn how to focus on whatever framework that you're going to use. You got to figure that out in your business. So once you set up your business, get yourself registered. If you don't want to go government, you go government. I suggest government will be the best place because you can start getting money with no experience to help you build your business. As you learn more, get money from the government, build the business, hire smarter people. That's when you start to grow your business. So if you're starting out, definitely if you're starting out, I would suggest on focusing on making sure your business is formed. Don't have to worry about taxes. You don't have to worry about marketing. I know you want to make money, but it's going to be very, very tough to make money if you don't know how to sell. You need to learn how to sell, either selling yourself, selling your services, or selling your products. You will have to learn how to do that. So once you figure out what type of framework you're going to use to structure your business, Then from there, as you growing along, just pick up some books, go to YouTube, hit up a coach, find a mentor. Always look for someone that's doing better than you to take you to where you want to go. So that's just my small little spiel on trying to help you, I guess, hone in on a direction where you want to go, especially if you're starting out your business. I know you want to get straight to it, open it up and make $1 million in 2 hours. It's quiet. It's not going to happen. It's quiet. I ain't even making $1 million yet in 8 years. Combined, yeah, I made over $4 million in 8 years. And if you want to see, I got receipts. I ain't got no problem with showing nobody taxes. But in 1 year, no, I have not. The most was like 750. I'm still trying to get to $1 million in 1 year. And it's hard because it's really just me. So I got to collect the money. I got to send out the proposals. I got to approve the proposals. I got to collect the deposits. I got to order the equipment. I got to ship the equipment. If I don't hire electricians or find people to help me install the equipment, I'm usually installing the equipment. But down the line, I do help people. So, sometimes I lose on jobs because I can't find people early enough to help me get the job done faster. So regardless of all that, I don't complain. I keep going. That's why I maintain it. But I need to get better. So once I get better, we'll get better. So just keep God first, man. And if you ain't following the channel, I suggest you do so. Peace.